following solutions were prepared by mixing different volumes of NaOH and HCl of different concentrations. First is 60 ml m by 10 HCl plus 40 ml m by 10 NaOH. Second is 55 ml m by 10 HCl plus 45 ml m by 10 NaOH. Third is 75 ml m by 5 HCl plus 25 ml m by 5 NaOH. And fourth is 100 ml m by 10 HCl plus 10 ml m by 10 NaOH. And pH of which one of them will be equal to 1? And the first is B, second is A, third is D, fourth is C. So here we have the milli equivalent of HCl, that is 75 into 1 by 5 into 1, that is equal to 15, and milli equivalent of NaOH is equal to 25 into 1 by 5 into 1, that is equal to 5. And here the milli equivalent of HCl, it is written 2 times, so cut this. Milli equivalent of HCl in resulting solution is equal to 10. And to calculate the molarity of H positive in resulting mixture, 10 by 100, that is equal to 1 by 10. And pH here is, for the formula is minus log H positive, that is equal to minus log 1 by 10, which we have calculated here. And we know the log for the 1 by 10, that is 1.0. So the answer is 1.0, which is the option number 4, that is C. 75 ml m by 5 HCl plus 25 m by 5 NaOH.